Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Real Cricket 20 multiplayer with your friends. The procedure is very simple and quite similar to that of PUBG Mobile. So do watch the full video and also make sure to subscribe the channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the video. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you sign in to the game using your Facebook account instead of the Gmail account. In that way you can directly play with your Facebook friends. And after doing that you will have to click on multiplayer and then click on 1v1. Okay, now click on play with friends, and here you can see the list of your Facebook friends. And in order to invite them you'll have to click on their name and then click on this invite button, and the invitation will be sent to them. And now if you want to play the game with anyone who's not your Facebook friend, for that you will have to send them your invitation link, and you can send it through Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp. So click on invitation link, and now from here you can send the invitation link to your friends through Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 20 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.